Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making pad thai with prawns and tofu. Follow me as I make this delicious noodle dish that is so popular here in the United Kingdom. We've all cultivated a taste for it. I for one went to Thailand back in 1996 for my honeymoon when I discovered pad thai and Thai food and have been completely hooked ever since. As you would have noticed, I have had a really good day today because I went to the hairdressers. First time after the pandemic, got my hair chopped off. So feeling good. Hope you like my new look. Thank you Omaira of Raina's Lane to cut my hair. Okay, let's get cooking now. So let me show you what we'll be using for this pad thai. We're going to use flat noodles, flat Thai noodles. They are rice stick noodles and they're medium, 5 millimeters. And what we're going to do is we are just going to immerse this in water, hot water, warm water for 10 minutes. And while that is immersed, we're going to start working with our other ingredients. We're going to use a couple of spring onions, a couple of garlic cloves that we're going to chop, a handful of peanut which we're going to chop as well. We're going to beat 2 eggs, and then for the sauce we're going to use a couple of tablespoons of fish sauce, a teaspoon of tamarind paste, and a couple of tablespoons of sugar. If you have palm sugar, then you can use that, and prawns and tofu to go with that. Now you can put in as many prawns as you want, as you have. I'm using some amazing Indonesian prawns which I'll show you in a minute. So let me start with immersed noodles in the water, and we'll just leave it to immerse for 10 minutes. And then we're going to start with chopping the cloves of garlic. So this is the tofu. It's firm tofu. I bought an organic firm tofu. This is not crumbly, so it's going to be easy to work with, and just going to fry it. You want to cut like this, fairly long and slim. Show you one after I finish cutting them. So that sort of size. So here you have 2 eggs. I'm going to just keep it all ready so that I can drop it in. It's 2 eggs beaten. Got these amazing Indonesian prawns. They are amazing. So we're going to clean these individually, and then I'm going to just stir fry them and put it to one side, not fully cook, and then drop it in at the end. There you go. This one had, that's what you want removed. The others didn't have it, just one of them had it, which is really odd. Got another 2 to do, and then we'll be done, be able to start. So in a hot pan we're going to put in a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil. 1, 2, a bit more. And then we are going to start with frying the tofu. So that's the first thing we'll be doing. Hot oil, fried tofu. And while the tofu is frying, I'm just going to fry these prawns on one side, and then I'm going to take them out before they're fully cooked. So you only want them half done. I'm going to put this spring onion that I've chopped up, the white bits. And then now we're going to start putting in all the sauces. So we start with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2. Put that away. And then we're going to put in a couple of teaspoons of, mind you, this is on high at the moment. If you have palm sugar, use that, a couple of teaspoons of sugar. And to balance out the sweetness of the sugar, I'm going to put some tamarind. I've got tamarind concentrate, which I'm going to be putting in. A teaspoon of. Now what I like to do is just give it a little taste to see whether that is the correct taste that I'm looking for. You need a bit more sugar. The thing with tamarind is you've got to make sure it's not overpowering. You keep stirring it. Now, I'm going to put this to one side on low and quickly fry my egg. Actually, I'm just going to just going to drop in the egg and that's what we're going to do. Bring the other pan back. Reduce the sauce. I just put some water in. Let's have a taste now. Finally, we're going to put the noodles in, coat the noodles in the sauce. Now at this point, I start combining all my ingredients. So the eggs go in, give it a stir. Going to put the scallions in. Wow, look at that, it's beautiful. And then we're going to put in the tofu. And finally, we're going to put in the prawns. And then we're going to serve it up. There it is. Don't forget to sprinkle it with some lovely fresh coriander, and then we're going to serve it up now. It's all done. That's it. It's all ready and served. So what I've done is I've put the peanuts, chopped up peanuts to one corner, sliced lime that before when you eat it you just squeeze it over and have it, a bit of coriander. Obviously, when it's Thailand, coriander goes with it, and it is yum. Let's taste it. I'm going to serve it up on a dish, and then we'll do the taste together. Now, if you like my recipes, do like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to have this bite of this delicious pad thai. It is amazing. And the tofu, perfect. The only thing I would add to this is bean sprouts, which unfortunately it wasn't in the supermarket when I went shopping, so I had to make do with what I had. But yeah, bean sprouts would complete this dish and give it a complete authentic feel. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe down below. It's completely free. And comment, let me know if you've tried my recipe, if you like it. Give it a thumbs up right down below. Subscribe, and next to the subscribe button there is a bell icon, which if you click on it will notify you every time the next recipe I bring out comes out. Have a good week or weekend whenever you watch this. See you later. Thank you.